How to get stretched screen resolution on your AMD Fortnite game. So hey guys, welcome back to your own channel, and in this video we will simply tell you that how can you edit your screen resolution size from the game's coding itself. You can do it on your laptop. In order to do this, we will simply have to click on the Alt plus Run option from your keyboard. We will just click it like this, and you will see a drop down menu or a small folder like this on the bottom of left of your screen. You just have to enter the same text I'm entering. You can copy it also. So whenever you will edit it or select the folder, it will redirect you to the file manager of my documents here. And you can see there is a lot of documents here. I will look on to the Fortnite folder here in my file manager and click on your Fortnite folder. Whenever you will click it, you will see the file called saved. You have to click on this. I will click it. After clicking it, you will again face a lot of folders here, but have to click on the second one, that is configuration. It will edit your game configuration, the game's coding itself from the help of your notepad. We will click on it. You will find two options more here. You have to click on the second one. Please just follow the same step which I am following in this PC or doing in front of you. After that, this is the final setting. Click on this folder, and this folder will open the notepad for you and your game's all coding here. And in this coding, you already knew that if you're from a coding background, if you're a student of a computer application, so you already know that we can do this setting from editing this coding or find the screen resolution size mentioned in this coding. We will simply edit or add the screen size from the resolution setting in my coding here. So let's scroll to the down, see all of the setting for this website. You can also change the color and many more things from this notepad menu or edit coding. Let me just check where the Fortnite is and the resolution for screen resolution size. As you can see, the screen resolution sizes, the front X size is about this and the Y size is about this. You just simply have to edit these both sizes from here. If you want to scratch your screen, you have to increase this size, and if you want to minimize your screen, you have to lower this size. So you can do it as per you want, as you're comfortable with it. After editing successfully your screen size, please make sure that you're entering a good and accurate screen size to change this screen size, because notepad does not allow any type of error if you do it in this. After that, we just have to simply file, click on the file left top corner of the screen, click on the file button, save this file as the same name mentioned in your folder, that is fortnite.ps1. After doing it, you will be able to stretch or see a full screen resolution for AMD Chapter 5 Fortnite. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this, if you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel for more amazing informative videos and solutions like this. Thank you so much for watching it.